When central banks and governments and economies have their backs against the wall, they print more money. The United States has very special circumstances because the US is the global reserve currency. And so, because of this, the US has been able to get away with the most egregious violations of the basic laws of economics. They're able to have a $36 trillion debt, $2 trillion annual budget deficits, and the rest of the world just sort of lets the US get away with it. But what we're seeing right now are pretty obvious signs that that's coming to an end, and the rest of the world really starting to line up against the dollar and start looking for other options beyond the US dollar as the global reserve currency. And this brings us to what happened on April 2nd. We had this so-called Liberation Day, which caused all sorts of convulsions in financial markets, not just in the United States, but all over the world. And anybody that was paying attention saw a massive crash in the stock market, but also a crash in the bond market and a crash in the US dollar. When you see this, it's a really big deal and predicts something big is happening and something big is going to continue to happen.